Hey, what's up everyone? If you are watching this video, so that means unfortunately your account, your client's account got blocked or disabled on Instagram. I know that your face pretty much looks like that at the moment and it's okay. I know what do you feel now? I know that it's super stressful and you want to get it solved as soon as possible. So this is why I made this video for you to help you explain how to get it back, okay, with methods that we have been using for the last 5 years. I managed to recover, and my team, multiple accounts, okay? It's been many. In this video, I'm just going to show you what we are doing and how you can do that, okay? So who is this video for? Creators or business owners that their account got hacked, blocked, disabled, or have been deleted from Instagram. Social media managers who unfortunately got into this situation, or even please don't be mad about this one, but there is like kind of like a job you can make with that. If you know how to get accounts from the dead, you can charge money for that for people who didn't manage to do that, okay? So this is this video for, and let's continue. A bit about me. So nice to meet you. My name is Adiane Corina. I'm also called Dr. Jarvie. I've been doing growth hacking and automation, and I've been managed to recover more than 500 Instagram accounts. Okay, I think even more than that, to be honest with you, in the last 3, 4, 5 years. It can be content reasons, it can be, of course, community flagged, it can be automation, it can be many stuff. Cool. Small warning. The methods that what I'm going to show with you, it's actually what have been working in our case. Okay, we managed to recover hundreds of accounts, as you can see, but it's not always working. Okay, to be honest with you, there is also some human factor. We are not doing some hacking over here. So there's the human factor that we cannot control. And of course, also depends on meta policy and what's going on the company now. So I cannot tell you it will work in 1,000,000% because I want to be honest with you, but it should work if you're going to follow all of the steps. And it's worth to try, right? It's for free. So what are the things you need to make sure before we're going to start with that? Okay, so first of all, this video, it's mostly for business accounts on Instagram or creators account, okay? If you have a private account and not a business or creator, I don't think this video will be so beneficial for you. But we can help in another method, so you can still watch. Secondly, you need to check if your Instagram account was connected to a Facebook Business Manager and or Facebook business page, okay? It can be very useful. If, for example, you did some paid ads, so pretty much for sure you have the access to the Facebook Business Manager and Facebook business page. Could be you don't know who is the owner, what is the access and everything, but it should be. And to have this access, okay? If you don't have this option, it's a bit more challenging, but it's still possible to recover the account as long as it's business or creator type. Step by step, okay? So I'm going, of course, to share with you the link to this presentation. By the way, it's made with a cool AI tool called Toma app, so check this out. But yes, so you need to go to this link. This is like Facebook Business Help. Okay, you need to click on Get Started over here. And then I don't have this over here. I don't want to show you on my account, but basically what you need to do, you need to click on the option that says I have been blocked from using a feature. It will be like that. And then you need to select the business manager or Facebook business page that your Instagram account was connected to. Okay, so you will see many pages. You need to choose the one you have. Second, the third thing you need to do is to open the case and right over here, it can be via email or via chat button. So you need to write exactly what happened. Now we actually provide over here a few examples of what we have been using to help us to get the support of Facebook. I connect my Instagram account and suddenly it's deleted. I don't know what to do. I tried to set a campaign and it's got disappeared, okay, and many stuff like that. Try to combine it with Facebook ads. Now, if your Instagram account wasn't connected to Facebook, you can also use this text over here. It also should work. And if you don't have this option, for example, I don't have it now, the option of talk with the Facebook support. So what I need to do in order to open that is to do some paid ads campaigns. Okay, you need to go to Facebook and create some paid ads. You can do that with Business Manager. You can just boost some posts. You can just open a new Facebook page and boost the post. Even if you put, like $5 a day, it should work. Okay. Now, after you're doing that, you should have these options over here on the page I just shared. It can take 3-4 days. Just keep paying, basically. And then after you will see this and you will send them the text, for example, that this is like your income, it's your Instagram account, you need access, it's like something that you count on, you have a family and so on. A text like here, it should work and they should help you. Okay, now you need to wait for a call. They should call you and tell you that they send the case to the official team. Sorry. So they will check this out. It's called initial team or internal team. This is the people who can actually solve this problem. Okay. They can also say to you via email or via chat as well. And usually after they send the case to the Instagram team, it can take between 2 to 14 days until the account is recovered. Maximum 30 days, okay? Something like that. Keep in mind that not all of the agents willing to help. As I mentioned, it's also a lot of like human factor. So could be some of them will tell you like, it's not my problem, I cannot help you, it's not my department. Be consistent. Do not give up until they say, okay, I'm going to send to the internal team. Okay, every account, every business or a creator account, they can get it back, even if it's like cannabis, even if it's like OnlyFans, everything can be recovered. It's only a matter of like how much consistent you will be and the human factor of the representative. If it was like 3-4 days and you didn't get any update about the internal team, so open a new case. Do all of this process again. Open the ticket, open the case, and say them again, listen, it's my money, it's my this, I need that, and so on. Okay, you need to keep it and to be consistent until you will get it back. Of course, if it's important to you. Now, after you're doing that, you see this from the 18th of April. It looks like that. I would like to help you. I see the account is back, is restricted. This is like what they send you via email, then they call you. It looks like that. So yes, they will tell you like to add yourself to the business manager if you don't have it. And this is how it's actually, they let you know that your account is back. Tips from past experience. So do not share information about automation or any third-party tools. If you have been using automation or apps, follow, I don't know, the apps in your phone to tell you who have been following you or unfollowing you, do not tell you did it. Do not give up, okay, if the account is important to you. So keep pushing, keep opening the tickets, keep speaking with them until they will help you to get it back, okay? After your account is back, make sure it's connected to both Facebook Business Manager and both Facebook Business Page. I actually added 2 links over here to help you how to do that. It's pretty simple. Also, it's always a good idea to run some ads, even in $5 a day. Just run some ads. It's telling Meta and Facebook that you actually you have some budget. You're like paying them. Okay, you're like a paid client. It's different than unpaid client. Turn 2-factor on. I will also add the links over here how to add the 2-factor into your Instagram. If you don't know how to do it, it's very important to make sure that no one will hack your account. And do not share the password with anyone else. Pretty important. Make sure to have the access to the phone number and to the email that's connected to the account. Okay, it's also something that the representative can ask you from time to time. Now, this is like what we're doing. To be honest, as you can see, it's working. I can show you a lot of accounts that we actually managed to recover. I even put a link for someone over here that we help him to get his account back as a paid service. Okay, so if you need still help, you tried all of this, it still didn't work for you, it should work. Okay, as I mentioned, it should work. It's what we are doing, but we have also some other methods. We can also help you with our experience. So if you want to pay for this service and just get it solved as soon as possible, so you can text us, or just you can also fill this form over here with the details. We can review this and we can tell you if we managed to do that. As you can see, we managed to recover many Instagram accounts. It's not an easy job. As I mentioned, you need to be consistent, you need to push them and to not give up, but still it's possible even to do that. So feel free if you still need paid help. But again, I would highly recommend to start with what I showed over here. Click the links, try to do that. Do not give up. Make sure you stay consistent on your story as well. Okay, we even add for you over here the text about what you can write for them. You don't need to write it exactly the same, but you can write something similar, and your account should be that. Okay, so guys, I hope this guide managed to help you. I know this is like what you feel. I was the same, trust me, my account was disabled multiple times because I've been testing my account for a long time. I was a D. I hope I managed to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you managed to get your account back, and I hope that you will not face any more issues like that in this year, in 2023, or in the near future. Thank you guys. Subscribe if I managed to help, yeah? Bye.